Hey guys, right now we're about to go and record a super top secret ad for Onewheel. Don't know if we can show it, but we'll post this. And if you're seeing this, we can show it. So we're about to go film it. Let's go. This ad is for the Haptic Buzz, by the way. I didn't say that. This ad is for the Haptic Buzz.
What's the buzz about Haptic Buzz?
Oh, don't get crazy now. And we're gonna talk about it for half a second. Whoa, that's crazy.
We're actually gonna make it go off.
Yeah. See if you can keep up with me while I'm doing it.
Oh, I can. I'm already keeping up with you. I can already tell you're slower. We're gonna film it in Rome.
I mean, right now I'm just talking to the camera. I'm not actually trying to go fast.
We'll film it in Rome, and then we'll film it in
Whatever.
we'll film it in Flow, maybe. We'll see.
I can't go nowhere. I can't get any speed.
That cop's right there. Just keep going. That's why we got it in Rome, so it does it. Cars, let's go.
I can't go any faster.
Oh, that's true. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? That's funny right there.
Looking like.
All right, we're gonna do it. Talk about the spot we're about to
Looking
pick.
like Captain Morgan out here. All right, we're doing it in front of this neighborhood lake right here. We pass here every day. We're gonna do it on the street right in front of it. 'Cause it's a nice background for the commercial.
All right. Okay, let's.
Taking the AirPod out.
We could pull off and. All right, so. I'm thinking like.
Right through here.
Okay.
Whoa, don't get crazy now.
All right, we want it in front of the lake, okay?
All right. Oh, don't get crazy now.
What?
It happened.
It happened already?
Alright, well, let's go back.
I mean, we need it.
Oh, I just gotta, I can pick it up.
All right, go.
I can get it buzzing in a second. Oh, don't get crazy now. Is that good?
Okay, I got you. Let's go. Oh yeah, I like this. I like this. Yeah.
Wind good? Whoa, don't get crazy now. Is that good?
I actually like that.
I'm gonna switch it back to flow.
Okay, here we go. You ready? Go with
Go
it.
this way one more time.
Go with it.
Go faster. Whoa, don't get crazy now. Alright, so right now what we're trying to do is, people are saying the Haptic Buzz is bad, and we're making the Onewheel commercial to show that the Haptic Buzz isn't as bad as people making it out to be. And I ride pretty fast. I ride 20 average, I'd say 19, 18, something like that. And I never find myself hitting the Haptic Buzz. I've hit it once, and that was racing on the trail, trying to get the fastest time I could. And I hit it, and it pushed me back a little bit, and I slowed it down and got back on. So what we're actually trying to do right now, we dropped it down to Rome, so it hits the Haptic Buzz faster. We're timing it right in the middle of the lake that I hit the Haptic Buzz, so it looks nice. And so I can, just so the background looks nice. I'm actually having to film this and switch so we can get the camera looking good.
I'm filming.
All right. So much better. Don't get crazy now. Don't get crazy now.
Dude, that was awesome.
I hit it.
That was awesome. Great job.
Is that it?
That was it. That was it. And it was in flow, baby. It was in flow. Good job.
What's the speed on that? 20.
You hit 20?
20.9.
That's awesome.
Hey guys, I think we just got the clip. We're just gonna do some extra things, see if One Wheel wants it. We don't know. So let's just do some extra stuff.
All right, after this car.
Good?
Yeah, let's go.
That's hittable.
Let's go. Bro, that's a beast of a drop. All right, here we go.
This is drop freezing. That was sick. Don't get crazy now. Alright, one more. I'll just go up and then turn around and come back down.
You should go off. Whoa. Was it all right? All right, let's go. I'm recording. What's up?
Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. We read them all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Whoa, don't get crazy now.
What's the buzz about Haptic Buzz? Haptic Buzz is a brand new safety feature added to all one-wheel models, which delivers audible and tactile feedback through the board so riders can ride with unparalleled confidence.
Whoa, don't get crazy now.
Riding on one wheel can seem intimidating, and that's why we created Haptic Buzz, to give new and experienced riders that boost in confidence they need so they can focus on having the most fun. Feel the ground beneath you, stay in tune with your one wheel's performance, and ride with confidence thanks to Haptic Buzz.
I like major brush burn.
Dude, that was awesome what you just did. You got brush burn? Where? On your leg?
My front leg.
Oh no. Watch the car.